好，2023年嘅 long quest 第二條，咁咧佢就玩水火箭啦，咁啊有個2 litre 嘅嘢咧，即係咧有2000 cm cube 咁大啊！呢個係一個容量單位嚟嘅。咁啊繼續，咁咧就 bottle is filled with 一個 water 啦，咁仲有1.5 litre 嘅 air 喺裡面嘅，咁即係有0.5 litre 嘅水，跟住有1.5 litre 嘅 air 啦。咁張圖都畫好咗啦。咁咧 initially 咧個 air 咧就27°C 啦。咁啲壓力啊、啲壓強嘅 pressure 啊、density 嗰啲俾晒你啦。咁啊問你個 mass 係幾多？咁咧佢俾咗 density 條式咧就係 mass over volume 啦。咁 mass 就係你個 density 乘 volume 啦。我哋要知道呢樣嘢嘅。咁好啦，我哋有冇 volume 啊？有，題目俾咗 density 有冇啊？都俾咗。咁所以咧，我哋就可以直接塞數字落去啦。M 就等於你個1.2乘1.5乘10嘅負3，咁就搞掂啦。撳機搞掂，咁應該計到咧係1.8乘10嘅負3 kg。好，下面啦。咁 air is pumped slowly， 咁啊 such that 個 total mass 咧 become 4倍咁大。咁咧佢就話個溫度咧依舊係300 K，咁 volume 咧都係不變嘅。咁問你而家 pressure 係幾多？咁我哋咧就可以幻想下一樣嘢啦。你裡面嘅粒子嘅數量咧，裡面嘅粒子數量 particles 嘅數量咧，應該同你個 mass 咧係成正比嘅。你應該一粒嘅 air 就可能 let's say 唔知幾多啦，就可能1個 unit 咁多。咁你100粒，咁咪100個 unit 咯。咁而家咧佢就話你個壓力咧而家係1乘10嘅5次啦。當你係 M0 咁多嘅時候咧，就係1乘10嘅5次 PA 咁多。咁啊，我哋又諗下第二條式啦。咁啊 PV 等於 nRT 啦。咁所以咧 PV 除 T 咧係會同你個 N 有關係噶啦。所以你個 PV 除 T 就會同你個 mass 有關係嘅。mass of 你個兜 gas 係啦，因為你粒子嘅數量同你個 M 有關嘅嘛，咁所以你個 mole 嘅數量同你個 mass 都係有關嘅。咁呢個咧，我哋可以寫到出嚟嘅。咁因為而家我哋個 M 變咗4倍，咁所以 pressure 都會變咗做4倍，咁所以就會係4倍嘅大氣壓啦。4乘1乘10嘅5次等於4乘10嘅5次 PA。就咁啊，搞掂啦。好，第二個咁啊 ，use kinetic theory。咁 kinetic theory 去解釋點解 pressure 會上升啦。咁咧，而家我哋要知道啲咩咧 ？T 不變 ，V 都不變，呢兩個係 unchanged 嘅 ，unchanged 啦。咁我哋而家喐咗啲咩啊？點解會多咗啊 ？N 上升，咁啊導致個 P 上升。咁好啦，用文字解釋啦，我哋開始。咁咧，因為而家temperature and volume of gas remain unchanged, and the number of particles increased。咁所以咧就 more air particles hit the wall of container. They collide more frequently. They collide more frequently 啊。咁其實就話裡面啲 gas 多咗。咁 pressure 點樣嚟㗎？咁 pressure 就係靠碰撞嚟㗎嘛。more frequently。咁咧，所以 so the pressure increase 係啦。就你講到碰撞咧，基本上咧就中分嘅。呢個就係個 kinetic theory 嘅重點啦。The pressure increase。到 part 3， 咁啊，given that 個 area 係咁多啦，咁就問你個 increase in force 係幾多啦？咁咧，你原本個 P 咧係個大氣壓係1份啦，跟住你而家變咗4份咁多啊嘛。咁我哋就諗下啦，pressure 條式係 F over area，咁所以問我哋個 increase in force，咁即係 delta P 就會等於你嘅 delta F over A 啦。咁我哋嘅 delta P，我哋個 change in pressure 係幾多？咪4乘10嘅5次減1乘10嘅5次咯，就等於你個 delta F over 你個面積0.014。咁啊，又係撳 J 解決啦。咁啊，計到個 F 咧就應該係4200N嚟。